Hi, my name is Jeremy Oxendine with Electric Supply and Equipment. Let's talk about edge computing. Any digital transformation project requires a lot of data. In most cases, data is being collected on the plant floor at a much faster rate than can be analyzed. Collection and access to that data must be highly reliable. That is why Stratus has created the ZTC Edge Computing System for the factory floor. Let's take a look at what the ZTC Edge has to offer for your digital transformation. ZTC Edge is a secure, rugged, highly automated computer platform that helps understaffed organizations improve productivity, increase operational efficiency, and reduce downtime risk at the edge of their corporate networks. The ZTC Edge puts computing power close to the data source. This can result in high machine uptime, quicker decision making, and higher profitability. The unit can be set up and installed within a half an hour and can be updated as the machine is running. The ZTC Edge is very user-friendly, requiring little to no IT experience to set up and run. With it being comprised of redundant nodes acting as a single system, health and maintenance is constantly looked after. Stratus also provides a cloud-based service as an extra layer of protection, where the health status of the system can be sent to Stratus directly for analysis and alert you of any issues so that your system can remain functional. In short, the ZTC Edge is a fault-tolerant solution required for digital transformation projects in industrial environments. I'd like to thank you for taking the time to learn more about edge computing solutions provided by Stratus. If you have any questions, please contact your local ES&E account manager or digital transformation specialist.